Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to check in Zoho People. All right, so first up, as you can see here, when we log in to people.zoho.com, and when you go head over to the home tab, okay, as you can see here, or the first thing that you would notice is the check-in button, okay? So what you'll do is just click on check-in right here, and do make sure that you allow the location services right here, okay? Maybe forever, and hit on allow. If not, you can just close it. And as you can see here, the time is now running. All right. And when you go ahead over to these tabs right here, as you can see, you just go ahead over to attendance. Here you have checked in. Okay. As you can see here, 4:14 p.m. I checked in 4:14 p.m. All right. Now, if you're using the mobile app, all you need to do is just open up the Zoho People mobile app. And then the check-in option is usually visible on the home screen. Okay, just tap on it just like what you did right here. All right. Now, if you can't check in, your administrator may need to enable the attendance module for you. You might want to call your administrator or the IT department. All right. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.